Almanac Review Platform for Async Remote Collaboration Full Guide. Hi again, guys. Welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, we will be doing review video about this software called Almanac, which is a collaborative document editor that can gives you everything you need to get work done without being in the same place, time, or even continent as your team. You can create beautiful documents, create dynamic documents that are only constrained by your imagination. So for this video, I will be discussing to you about this platform Almanac, its features, how this software can help your team, and its pricing plan. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, this is the Almanac IO homepage. And from here, you'll see some of the features that you can do from this platform. First is to create beautiful documents that your team can easily follow or understand, just like this, adding headers on your documents, highlight, and also adding checklists to your documents for your teams. Second, easily request review from your team or manager and get approvals all from your doc editor. Third, make and merge version creates version where every edit is tracked and then easily compared and merged changes into a beautiful final version without errors. Fourth, see everything and everywhere. You can see how documents changes over time with an activity that shows what's new, and along with document insights that summarize all activity to date. So these are only just some of the featured functionality of Almanac, but there's a lot of features and tools that you can do here in this platform. So let's go ahead and jump to its pricing. So here, Almanac has three different pricing plan. The first one is the free plan. So since it's a free plan, it also gives you limited access to use this software. So here you can get 25 free documents to start with, but it's perfect for those people who are not yet ready or sure to get the paid plan, like for someone who just want to experience and explore the software. Also, you can have unlimited guests in your free plan. The next plan is the Pro plan for $12 per user per month if billed annually, but if billed monthly, it costs more, which is $15 per user per month. It gives you unlimited documents, unlimited guests, share handbooks to web, customizable handbook, and workspace design. And the third plan is Enterprise. It's a custom price. It depends on the selected features that you want to get, but everything in Pro plan included in your Enterprise plan. So just for me, this app is quite expensive compared to other alternative app out there, like Notion or Google Docs, for example. But let's not talk about the other app here. Let's go ahead and focus on the Almanac since this video is about Almanac review. So let's go ahead and continue with our review about Almanac. So now I log in to my account. I already created my account here, and this is now my dashboard. So as a document editor, Almanac's core offering is the ability to keep all your files organized. And one of its hallmark features is the ability to track documents changes in a way that makes Google Docs and other alternative app or its competition look completely unable to do. Users can easily make their own copies of documents, merge them with the original, and quickly approve changes. Users can also get approval from their manager or another user in their network and ask for feedback along the way. And you can do that here under your request review. And for tasks that require a bit more thought, people can use Almanac to add tasks to another user's to-do list inside documents themselves, a feature that they might have needed a project management tool like Asana to handle in the past or before. Updates for items a user has been assigned to others live inside their own inbox where notification flow automatically as documents evolved. The team believes that functionality like this inside Almanac will help teams cut down on unnecessary slacking, and let the documents speak for themselves. From here, you can do a lot of things that makes your work more easier, and it makes your team collaborate to each other easily and quickly. Moreover, the company is quickly iterating itself into new workflows. They recently launched a feature specifically around building and updating handbooks. And they also just ship a feature called snippets, which allows users to save often used blocks of text so they can quickly build up new documents. Almanac hopes that by focusing on common workflows inside documents, its users can resist the urge to open another app and instead realize the gains that come from centralizing feedback in just one platform. So everything that you need to do your work is here in your Almanac platform. That's why Almanac is one of the most powerful platform for async collaboration and doc editor nowadays. Also, what I love about this platform is the user interface. This platform is so simple and less complicated compared to other platform. I can easily create new document here and it will open up new tab. And here I can also add task quickly and I can link document here. I can assign someone and then I can schedule the task like providing deadline or due date for the assigned person. And also when you create documents here by typing slash, you can add here the header, your text, then checklist, number, bullets, table, and more. You can also attach images, files, and link documents. Also, you can integrate your Almanac app to other apps like Airtable, Canva, ClickUp, GitHub, and many, many more. And here you can check your inbox as well for any updates from your team. And also you can check review requests from your team if your team asking you for a review or check their files, and give feedback. And over here in your handbooks is where you can add or create your own workspace to organize your projects and tasks. And over here, you can also easily invite more members in your account to work with. So just simply enter or provide their email for you to send them an invite. So, for you to check if this platform suits you and your team, then you can go ahead and visit almanac.io and try to create your account and avail the free account plan. And you can experience and explore the site for you to better understand and to have a real experience about this software. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.